I'm going to show you how to install X, formerly known as Twitter, onto your PC or laptop. There used to be a native app that you could download from the Windows Store, but since transitioning to X from Twitter, the application now doesn't seem to exist. Or at least if you don't already have it, you cannot get it. However, there is a workaround. Head on over to your preferred browser. I would recommend using a Chromium-based browser. I am using Brave, but if you're using Chrome, this also works. But I believe you can also do this on Firefox. So what we want to do is head on over to x.com. From here, navigate to the top right with the 3 lines, or it could be 3 dots depending on your browser. Scroll all the way down until you see Save and Share. Come over to the left and then click under Save, Install X. And then it asks to install the app. Press Install. As you can see, now we have the X app. At the very bottom, you can see that it's its own icon on the taskbar. We can in fact right click on it and we can pin it to taskbar so that if we close it, we can just click on it again to open it back up. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.